What's up, good people? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. Today we're going to be doing some spring cleaning, and I wanted to introduce you guys to this product that has made just doing things around the house so much easier. This is the X8 compact mobile phone holder that was sent to me by Ledetech. Ledetech is a company that offers a wide range of products for all of your devices. They offer products for your phone, your tablet, your laptop, and your monitor. But I chose to get this phone holder because I had really been needing something to just prop up my phone when I'm doing like all my day-to-day activities. And honestly, I didn't know what to expect with this product, but when it came, I was really surprised at how good the quality was. I don't like to buy products over and over again, and I truly believe that this will last me for years to come. One of the ways I used this X8 mobile phone holder was in my home office, and I just really enjoyed working with it. Not only was it functional, but it also just made me feel more professional. Like I definitely felt more productive, and I was actually reaching for my phone less because it was connected to the holder, so I was able to get more work done. But when I did get those calls, I was able to just easily handle it and get back to work. It also comes with a piece that you can literally stick to something, attach the phone holder to it, and just prop your phone up basically anywhere that you like. And I have this cube dresser right across from my office desk, so I was able to just prop it up right there, and literally it was another method that I could use to pick up my phone less and be more productive, but I was still able to see all my notifications. So check out the link in the description box and you will get 10% off your Ledetech purchase. Now when I came home, I had a big pile of laundry to fold, so of course I got my Ledetech, and it was so convenient because I was able to watch YouTube while I folded my clothes. And a lot of spring cleaning things that I find myself doing, I usually prop my phone up on the wall, on a coffee mug, anything, and I don't have to do that anymore. So if you want to get your hands on this or any other Ledetech product, go ahead and use my link in the description box and you will get 10% off your purchase. I know Mother's Day and Father's Day are right around the corner, and I'm telling you, this is a quality gift that you can get your mom or dad or anyone of any age. It works in the office, but it also works cleaning, baking, whatever you have to do. Okay, so now we're gonna get down and dirty and clean out this oven. Oh my gosh, I literally had just made bacon and left the pan with the oil in there, and yeah, it's kind of disgusting. So we need to just go ahead and get this thing cleaned out. Okay, and I don't know about how your oven works, but this bottom part of my oven is actually the boiler, and I have used it before, so I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it out because it's looking really scary. Okay, so I called in the reinforcements, aka my husband, to help me move the oven because I have been longing to get back there because I know I drop a lot of stuff like on the side of the oven. As you can see, it's really gross. It has a lot of spills. Behind the oven was just really scary. I've never been behind there. I was scared at first, but then I realized it was just like a lot of wood pieces, but still, it was pretty bad. But yeah, if you're gonna go behind your oven, do it, at your own risk and your own discretion because this can be very dangerous. And I was gonna use the broom back here, but I didn't even want to use my broom because it was so dirty and nasty. So I just used paper towels to kind of like move the dirt out of the way and put it in the trash. And then I went back in with just a Swiffer mop. Oh my gosh, I love a shiny, clean oven. It almost makes you not want to cook on it, but I know I'm gonna cook on it and it's gonna get back dirty. But I usually clean my stovetop like every day. It's just the inside of the oven that I don't really get to as often. So this was really nice. My fridge is also one of those things that I clean out pretty often. Don't be alarmed that we don't have a lot of food because I was gonna go grocery shopping right after this, but I wanted to just take everything out and wipe down all the surfaces, which is something that I do almost every time before I bring home groceries.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand it.
Okay, so I didn't want to bore you like going through all my kitchen cabinets, so I just chose the messiest cabinet, which I like to call my party cabinet, because I go in here every time that we have like a gathering or anything at the house, a celebration. It just has a bunch of like platters and serving stuff. I don't know, but yeah, it needs to be reorganized. This is something that I've been putting off for a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this because it needs to be done.
Alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more. Take a chance. It could be possibly my last day.
Okay, so it probably doesn't look much better, but I did put a lot of effort into this, so they should make it a lot easier next time we have, a gathering, which is very seldomly. Okay, so I would like to introduce you guys to Canupa, and Canupa is my strelitzia nicolai, I think is how you pronounce the scientific name, but the regular name is just a bird of paradise. And she's about a year old, and I keep her in this pot that I got from Target. And I don't know, I haven't been liking the way it looks like with the dirt. I don't know. All you plant people out there, let me know if I'm doing something like completely wrong or against the, plant rules. But so I just don't like the dirt look. I wanted to do something that looked a little bit more elevated. So I got these rocks, like literally these marble rocks is what they're called, and I got them from like the hardware store, I think Lowe's maybe. And my vision is I'm just gonna place the rocks like on top of the dirt. So yeah, like I said, any plant people out there, if this is like wrong and unhealthy and is gonna suffocate my plant, just leave it in the comments below so I can not kill Canupa.
I don't wanna let myself down. I don't wanna let myself down.
Okay, so it turned out really nice. I really love the way it looks. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is something that I do ever so often, and that is just wipe the leaves down. Sometimes they get like some black specks or spores or whatever you want to call them on the leaves. So I like to just wipe them down and make sure I remove any of that. As you can see, like under this leaf, it was a lot of little black specks. So I'm just going to take this damp paper towel and I'm going to very carefully just wipe down the leaves and the stems. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. There will be a part 2 for my spring cleaning because I could not get it all done. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, and also check out the link below because Ledetech is offering 10% off your entire purchase when you use my link. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you next time. Peace.